Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin and the key levels. We will talk about some of the altcoins and the major event for the day, major news event for the day, and what are the time on which we need to be very cautious, and for the upcoming week as well, because this week can be very volatile and we can make some good sum of profit with some of the swing trades for the upcoming day. So I will also going to let you know about that. So let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Do make sure to join my Telegram channel by getting the link in the description. So let's first go through with the Bitcoin analysis. What we are watching is the Bitcoin chart in the hourly basis. So the Bitcoin probably made a 2 times fake out, once for the downside, another time to the upper side. If you see that this is acting as a support for now, multiple times Bitcoin has got support from this area, and probably if we again see so it's a local support at $20,770 to $20,500 is a local support for Bitcoin as of now. And if we meeting, we find out that there is a hike of 0.75 basic points. So this is what is expected as of now. And what if it goes above that point? I believe we can see at least a crash inside the market, and if there is too much negative sentiment inside the market, we can also see a flash crash. And so what could be the possible support level if once this area is being broken for BTC? That could be nearly around $18,943. So what we can consider is 19K could be the possible another support for Bitcoin. And which is this support? So this support is from the daily trend line. A daily trend line, this trend line that you are watching out is from the daily, okay? And Bitcoin tried to break out from this level, but the volume that we need on a daily time frame is not that good. So, and even the sentiments are bad. So this could be a small time pushback. Moreover, I'm still kind of bearish now at this point, and it's a bear flag. Once this is broken, we can take a good amount of short entry, a good margin of short entry over here at the point from $20,770. This is a pushback area, okay? So we need to consider some of the things. I'll explain you in the later part of the video, and how we can make a good sum of profit for a shorter period till the time the FOMC meeting is supposed to come. What we can believe is we can see a little bit of rise inside the price of Bitcoin, probably over here, and then again we can see a downfall inside the price of Bitcoin. I shared the signal for the Bitcoin short that we have already taken one of the finest entry for the Bitcoin. So as you can see, the Bitcoin was being these are two different analyses. If you see, this is a complete bear flag, but here in the hourly basis there's one more trend line that was being forming up. There was you can say that a rising channel. You can also consider to be the rising wedge. So it played out pretty well, and we took the entry here up to here. It gave us 500% profit. Again, whoever had taken this entry, again it gave us more than 500%. Again, accumulation or a consolidation. So 2 times I made 1,000% profit from this trade, and that was pretty good for me. And again, it made a downfall. So probably from here to here, it is probably giving you immense amount of 2,000% profit, depending on the leverage that you are taking. If you just take a let's say, as of now, it's giving you 9.42% profit from the entry that we have taken. So if you're interested getting a finest signals, because we take very precise limited signals, we're not here to take a bunch of trades every single day. We are just here to make a huge sum of profit. So how are we going to do that? Following some basic rules. Takes few trades, but the most effective and the profitable ones. That's my motto, and that's what we and our premium family does it. Now coming up with the next, Ethereum. Possibly Ethereum, we had a very good opportunity short yesterday midnight. I probably was sleeping. I was not able to take this good short entry. and if we not, then it's okay. And next possible support for the Ethereum could be nearly around $1260. Nearly around $1260 to $1300 could be a good zone for accumulation, as this for the Ethereum this has acted as a previous support. So if you're looking for a long position, or if you're trying to grab it for a short term or for a quick bounce, then this could be a possible level where you can put up your limit orders, 2 or 3, nearly around $1300 to $1260, and just for the scalping purpose, not for swing or for long-term holding. I'm not trying to accumulate here because my long-term holdings are different. I'm also going to share a list of coins that's going to make us a huge sum of money in upcoming days. I have many things in my head, and I'm totally going to share it with you guys in the upcoming days. So do make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, get in my Telegram channel, because you got only going to make a huge sum of profit if you are in our community. Let's come up with the next, that is Rune. Rune formed up a perfect head and shoulder pattern, which broken out yesterday from the neck. And yes, I was sleeping, so again this was a good opportunity to short. Now if we haven't shorted, it had fallen pretty well, so there could be a possible point where we can see a rise, right? So it is 19% down from the top range by now. Probably So probably it could be a 23% from this range, I believe, and we can see a rise from this level 1 once it reaches out to 2.124 level, okay, because it's going to be a horizontal support as well. So we can see a rise from this level. Coming up with the next, the major event for the day is going to be US Fed expected to rise rates by 0.75% percentage point in July. It's going to be for the 26th July report, and probably it could be anything between 0.50 to 0.75. If it comes for 0.50, it could be a good sign. At least we can see a relief rally inside the crypto and the rest of the market. Next could be the time on which the news is about to come out, or the meeting is. So it is at 2 p.m. Eastern time. You can also check it out for your country. What is 2 p.m. Eastern time? You can convert it. And if you're from the India, if you're in the Indian community, so it's going to be 11:30 p.m. tonight. So at this time range, I'll ask you to just stay out from all the trades, or if you are in any trade, do make sure to put the stop loss in profit zone. Okay. Coming up to the next. There is the Google earning reports for the Q2 is going to come live today. So probably it's going to be out 9:30 Indian time and 5 p.m. GMT time. Okay, so you can also check it out by yourself. So this was all about today's quick market update, and you just need to have a broader view. We've been inside this bear flag for a very long time now, so we can expect it to break out. The market seems to be very bearish. The price action still looks to be very bearish, and it's already been 42 days since we are in this bear flag, or at least 40 days we have been in this bear flag. So if we break out, I look for a short position inside the Bitcoin, and if we don't break out, then I can see a quick rise inside the price of Bitcoin. Considering both of the scenarios, we just need to be optimistic as always, and considering what the fuck. Okay, here it is. In the 4-hourly time frame, it's 16 minutes left, and if we close above the trend line, you can look for a long position inside the Bitcoin with the very nominal stop loss like here. You can keep a very quick, very intense stop loss. That's if we lose, it's going to be like 1%. and if there is any gains, we can go up to here. That could be around $22,000, and where we can start booking our profits. So this was about the whole market update, quick market update about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Rune, and this was the key levels that we need to consider. I hope you get some knowledge from my video, and if you earned something out of my videos, do make sure to like my video, share it with your friends and family, so that we can